Fifth grade instant math lesson 20.3 part 2. Check understanding. Number 1, telling you to find the trapezoid is having exactly one pair of parallel sides. Which quadrilaterals are also always trapezoids by her definition? Okay. What else? Could there be anything else? No, because you have the rhombus, but it has two pairs of parallel sides, right? You have a rectangle, but it has two pairs of parallel sides. You have a what? Square, but it has two pairs of parallel sides. So none. Okay. And then we just explain that, right? Okay. Identify each statement as true or false. A parallelogram is always a rhombus. False. Because a rhombus has to have what?
4 equal sides.
4 equal sides. Could a kite be a parallelogram?
Yes.
Yes. But it doesn't have 4 pairs or 4 equal sides. Number 3, a rhombus is always a parallelogram. True, because it has 2 pairs of parallel sides always. A square is always a rhombus. We just learned this. True, because we just learned that on the other side, remember guys? That a square is always a rhombus. Okay. A rectangle is always a rhombus. False. On your own, number 6, use structure. Kent draws a quadrilateral that is a rhombus, but not a square. What are its properties?
4 equal sides.
Okay, so 4 congruent sides. Okay, then what? Okay, 2 pairs of what? 2 pairs of parallel sides. And then it says that the rhombus is not a square though, so that means that the angles are what?
Less than 90.
So not right angles, right? Okay, and no right angles. Now, does it have to necessarily be less than 90?
No.
Your tips might be, but then your sides might be obtuse, right? Okay. All right. Use structure. Classify the quadrilateral in as many ways as you possibly can. So we know every one of those are going to be what? Quadrilaterals, right? So we need that as one of them. Okay. What else is this shape? Is it a parallelogram? No, because there's no pair of parallel sides. Because eventually these would kind of taper out and intersect, right? Okay, is it a rectangle? Nope. Rhombus? No. A square? No. So just a quadrilateral. So number 8 is a quadrilateral. Parallelogram? Yes. Okay. A rectangle? Nope. A rhombus? Nope. A square? Nope. Okay, next one. It's a quadrilateral. Parallelogram?
Yes.
Rectangle?
No.
Yes, a square can be a rectangle, but a rectangle cannot be a square. Rhombus? Yes. Because what's the definition of a rhombus? 4 equal sides and 4 right angles and 2 pairs of parallel sides. Okay, a square.
Yes.
Attention precision, number 10. Maria says that a parallelogram is also a trapezoid. According to Maria, what other shapes are also trapezoids? How do you know? So basically, a square, a rectangle, or a rhombus, because they all have what? Parallel sides. Okay. Or, and then we just said because they have at least one pair of parallel sides, right? Okay, number 11, open-ended. Patrick defines a trapezoid as a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. How can he draw a line segment on this figure to make a trapezoid? Draw the segment and explain. So if I went corner to corner, what's that going to get me? A triangle, right? Okay, and they want a what? A trapezoid, right? Okay, so they want a quadrilateral with at least 4 sides, right? Okay, and then it also has to have what? One pair of parallel sides, right? So could I draw it like this? Okay, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides on that one. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides on this one. Is this side parallel to this side?
Yes.
Yep. Is this side parallel to this side? Yes. Okay. So we just explained it, right? Okay. We have our 4 sides still, and then we have one pair of parallel sides in each one. All right.